Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can enable secure boot in Windows 11. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, access the search bar from the bottom of your screen and search for System Information. Now a window will open up and you can see that the secure boot is enabled on my device. In order to do that, follow me. Simply close this window, go to the search bar again and search for Settings. Open it up and then navigate to the Windows Update section located at left side. Once you are here, click on the Advanced Options feature and then select Recovery from the additional features. Here, click on the Restart Now button and then again click on Restart to confirm your action. Once the device is restarted, go to the Troubleshoot tab, select Advanced Features, then click on Firmware Settings and restart your device again. Now you will be sent to the BIOS menu of your device. This menu is different for every device, but if you're the same device as me, then it will be pretty straightforward. Once you are in the BIOS menu, you can use the arrow keys to navigate through it. Now all you need to do is go to the Boot Options tab and locate Secure Boot. Once you find it, press Enter, enable it, and then close the menu by pressing the Escape key. So that's basically how you can enable Secure Boot in Windows 11. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.